westbound 673, affirmative.
Thank you. Skycatcher 6 Sierra Victor, line 12 right, clear for takeoff, right turn approved, wind driver left 4.
12 right, clear for takeoff, right turn approved, 6 Sierra Victor.
Tower 930 Delta X-rays, holding short of 70 golf.
Vegas Tower, number 70 kilo.
Down, you don't need that much, you only need about 30.
Okay.
30 is the maximum you should be going.
Okay. It's hard to hold it there and get it to rotate speed.
just northwest?
Yeah, we're just northwest.
Okay.
North Las Vegas Tower, Skycatcher 316 Sierra Victor is 9 miles northwest of the field. Inbound for pattern work.
R317 Sierra Victor, North Las Vegas Tower, ident.
Ident, and that's Skycatcher 316 Sierra Victor. That's what.
That's what I thought he said.
316 Sierra Victor, make straight in runway 12 left.
Straight in, 12 left, 6 Sierra Victor.
40 Echo, runway 12 left, taxi via Kilo Delta.
40 Echo, full stop, terminate.
40 Echo, cross 30 left to Kilo, then contact ground.
30 left, across 30 left, Kilo, contact ground. 40 Echo.
Man, he's hard to understand. Now full stop.
Yeah, we'll be doing full stop taxi back, so you down to...
Yeah.
Yeah, we can make it.
Make one?
Yep.
Okay. North Las Vegas Tower, Skycatcher 316 Sierra Victor is at holding short of 12 left at Alpha.
North 316 Sierra Victor, North Las Vegas Tower, runway 12 left, clear for takeoff.
12 left, clear for takeoff, 6 Sierra Victor.
6 Sierra Victor, make left, traffic for runway 12 left.
Left traffic, 12 left, 6 Sierra Victor.
And Tower, this will be a full stop for 6 Sierra Victor.
Roger. Number 6 Sierra Victor, did you see that crane on the
Right there.
approach to the left last time?
Yeah, it's been up for about 3 days now. It's kind of like by like the Veterans Hospital or the Veterans Affairs Hospital thing.
Roger, is a factor for the final?
I've shot the ILS a couple times and no, we passed right over it and it's not that big of a deal.
Roger. Number 6 Sierra Victor, runway 12 right, clear to land, traffic taking the runway for departure.
12 right, clear to land, 6 Sierra Victor.
North Las Vegas, Skywag 906 Zulu, we're descending out of 4000 with information Lima.
Number 90564 Zulu, North Las Vegas Tower, enter right base for runway 12 right.
Right base for 12 right, 64 Zulu.
Number 2 Romeo Romeo, continued descent, change to runway 12 left, clear to land.
Continued descent, clear to land, 12 left, 212, Romeo Romeo.
North Las Vegas Tower, helicopter 44 Kilo Yankee at the south ramp with Lima. I'd like to do a present position departure over to Bank of America for Boulder Highway transition.
Helicopter 44 Kilo Yankee, North Las Vegas Tower, departure from the south. Departure from the south ramp, be at your own risk, proceed as requested.
Departure from the south ramp by own risk, proceed as requested, 44 Kilo Yankee.
Never tried that before.
What?
Just slip.